I got X11 open. It's not earth shaking, but excuse me. On Facebook this morning, or no, on Chief Talk, yeah, somebody was asking how to do this automatically. There isn't any way to do it automatically, but I've done it in a workable way, and I first tried to just alter the existing frieze molding, and I wasn't very successful with that. So what I did was just, pretty straightforward. You just go a little bit higher here and draw a CAD line, select a CAD line, convert it to a 3D molding polyline, and we go over here to the moldings, and we want the width about 3.5 inches, and the height, set it at 3/4. Now, of course, it's going the wrong way. It's going in that direction. Let's see what we can do about it. Let's see. There we go. Extrude inside polyline. Okay, that didn't work. All right. That's what I did over here. That's a molding polyline that I drew, and it worked on that side. And I was going to show you on this side, but not working. I haven't been able to get it to work. Another way to do it is use a closed polyline. We'll set the width 3.5. There's always more than one way to solve some sort of problem that you have. We'll make that shape a little more like trimmed off, polyline solid, and 3/4. Now, polyline solids come in with a concrete material on it. Let's see, I need to move that over just a little bit. Use point-to-point move that. Or we can use this automatic dimension. We'll move the whole object to 0. There we go, that's what I wanted. Now the concrete material, let's use the eyedropper and get this stuff with the trim, and that's another way to do it. This I did with apparently this only works on one side, but this works on all sides, and in any case. And it's actually, this is better. I had to move this one in plan view. Let's see, getting the camera there. I'm not even picking it up now. See, there's that polyline solid I made. But I had to move this this one here. It was away from the polyline solids, grip the wall, and these 3D moldings don't necessarily. I want to move that over so that it's right there. Using a control key drag. Yeah. I forget what this is called on Chief Talk, but anyway, it's another way to do trim details the way you would like them. Okay, that's it. Hope this helps some people. Good day.